What's up, guys? Welcome back to Ben Cameron's Spellcast. Got a pretty good one today. Look at this beauty. Some more Dragonball Super. 5th anniversary set. Got this at our local game shop. Draw 7. 20 bucks. Not too bad. Pretty excited to dive into this thing and get going. Here we go. Let's see what we got in here. Gonna have 5th anniversary card set, 2 Zenkai boosters, secret rare pack, 1 random alternate art reprint. Got a revision set, 1 pack of sleeves randomized as well, and the storage box, which is pretty cool. I like the storage box, be able to store all my cards in here. Right now I just got them on with plain white sleeves. But let's get into this thing, all right? See if we can open this up easy enough. Here we go. Coming open. Woo! Oh, I don't think I'm going to be able to slide this out. Never mind. It's coming. Yeah, buddy. Okay. Pretty sweet box here. It's one of the things I'm excited about. Ooh, something slid out the bottom. What's that? Oh. It's just this. Describing what it was. Came right off. It's not part of the box. Ooh, here's the rest of the box. Look at that. Nice. All right, now let's get into it here. Let's take a gander. All right, there we are. So, try to take this out. Here looks like maybe the revision cards. Next, we've got some of the holographic ones. We'll crack into that next. And let's see what sleeves do we get. Ooh, yes. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Very cool. Vegito with the Vegeta and the Goku. Patara. Okay. Here is our secret rare pack. Very cool. 1 per pack. And then here we've got our 2 Zenkai booster packs. So, we'll get into these. I don't think there's anything else in the box. Nope, but this is what we're going to be storing them in. Very cool. All right. Step by step. I don't think we're going to open these revision ones. I don't think there's anything special there. But we'll get into this bad boy here. See what kind of cards are in here. Come on, let's get it. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right. Hit, ready to brawl. I believe there's 2 of each of these. Peel off, mechanized partnership, Android 18, reckless abandon. Let's get a little bit closer in here. Ooh, Super Saiyan Rose Goku Black, Mortals Be Gone. Pretty cool. Majin Buu, Reshaping Regeneration. Bulma, Fighting for Vegeta. Looks like the GT Bulma. Frieza, Before the Fall. Next, Ginyu, A Captain's Responsibility. Ooh, Prince of Destruction Vegeta, Proud Defiance. Sweet. Son Gohan in Earth's Defense. Dispo, Hyperspeed Strike. Ooh, Super Saiyan 3 Go Tanks. Invincible Fist. Ooh, this one, they're older too. That's pretty sick. That is sick. Love it. Okay. Hachiak, I think this is the guy's name. Saiyan Exterminator. Poutine, Scheme's Most Wicked. Masked Saiyan, Belligerent Warrior. Chilled, Ruling Through Fear. And all these are holographic. They're pretty sweet. Not gold stamped, but pretty freaking cool. Either way, got Piccolo 3 moves ahead. Last one, Cell, Unending Despair. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, let's get into these packs here. See what kind of cards we're gonna get. I don't know if these ones are randomized or standard, but we'll find out. Super Saiyan Vegito, ready when you are. Whis from on high. Ultra Instinct Son Goku, Unthinking Onslaught. Nice. Okay, Toa, Unpredictable Offense. Majin Buu, the Insatiable. Super Saiyan Broly, the Demon Revived. Frieza, just a warm-up. Super Saiyan Gogeta, facing fierce foes. Hit, Pursuing Improvement. Janemba, New Depths of Evil. Ooh, that's sick. Super Saiyan 3 Broly, Surpassing Legend. Nice. And lastly, Super Saiyan Son Goku, Awakened by Rage. Nice. All right, here comes the second pack. Here we are. Super Saiyan Son Goku for the mission. Ooh, Fused Zamasu, Righteous Iniquity. Ooh, Super Saiyan Blue Vegito, new look. Nice. These cards are so sick. Super Saiyan Vegito, ready when you are. That was the first one in the other pack. All right, Ultra Instinct Goku, Unthinking Onslaught. Super Baby, Parasitic Comeuppance. Super Saiyan Caulifla, Tenacious Spirit. Super Saiyan Gogeta, Facing Fierce Foes, got that one again. Hit, Pursuing Improvement, got that one again. Super Saiyan Son Gohan, Come What May. Ooh, this looks like the future Trunks version with only one arm. Nice. Janemba, New Depths of Evil, same one. And same Son Goku. Nice. Nice. All right. All right, here's the big one, the secret rare. Which one are we gonna get here? I don't know, should I open it upside down? How do we hide this bad boy? How do we hide this bad boy to see which one we're gonna get? 1, 2, 3. Oh, yes! This is the one I wanted. Or I was hoping we'd get the Broly. Ultimate Agent of Destruction. This thing is sick. This thing is sick. Super cool. Gold stamped. Holographic. Man, this is wicked. Secret rare. This is the first secret rare I've got. If you can tell, he's got the Majin M on him too. This thing is pretty wicked. All right. This thing is sweet. Let's put her in a sleeve here. If I can do it. There we go. Very good. Yes, that is awesome. All right, guys. Thanks for coming to this video. Again, that was the 5th edition box. Sorry, 5th anniversary set. $20 at our local card shop. I loved it. That was sweet. I like it. I like it. Probably the only difference is this one, the secret rare, is different for each one you get. But very cool. Very cool. All right, keep an eye out for more videos. Thanks for being here. What's up, guys? Coming right back at you here. I started to open up this extra pack. I thought this was going to be like commons and uncommons, kind of crappy cards. Turns out that's not true. So we're going to go through it. We're going to look at this. See here, we do have an uncommon on top. Another common. But look at that. 2 down. We've got an SR. Full Power Frieza. 100% overdrive. Like, how cool is that? So we're going to go through these and see what other cards we got. SR or not. See, SR, Catastrophic Blow. Look at that. I mean, it's not holographic or anything, but how cool is that? Mastered Ultra Instinct. Come on. And here we've got a normal rare. Planet Vampa. Okay, Planet Tuffle. See? Look at this. Unison card. How cool is that? Dark Broly. SR. Majin Quickening. Oh, here we've got a leader back. So, leader card, Son Gohan. Nice, uncommon. Okay, so another leader, Dark Broly and Pargus, the Corrupted. Look at that, very cool. That's an uncommon as well. All these leader cards. Another battle card, Dark Broly, Demon Realm Ravager. It's a rare. Nice. Ooh, SR, Dark Broly, Uncontrollable Berserker, SR. Man, a lot of Dark Broly. New Mask Saiyan, that one's uncommon. Tree of Might. Son Goku Fighting Spirit. Young Invaders. Look at this, SR Galactic Buster. Black Smoke Dragon, Offering of Destruction. There's Toa. Ooh, we got a Videl leader card. Nice. Power Beyond Super Saiyan 2. There's another SR, Ultimate Dark Dragon Slaying Bullet. Nice. Here's a rare Universe 6. Ooh. Kaioken Son Goku Decisive Battle SR. Kaioken. There's a rare Training Goal Son Goku. King Kai's Planet. King Kai's Training. Ooh. Demon God Deborah. Leader. Oh, sorry, I'll show you the leader front of that one too. Normal Deborah. Ooh. Leader back. I don't even know. Vegex. Vegeta Trunks Fusion. There's the back. Here's the front. Very cool. That's an ST, so starter deck. I like it. Ooh, look at that. PR. Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Son Goku. Leader back. There's the front. That's pretty sweet. That is pretty sweet. I like it. Okay, here's PR. Zamasu the Eliminator. Battle card. Oh, nice. Oh, it's a leader card. This is sick. PR. Super Saiyan God Vegeta. Crimson Warrior. Nice. Nice. And there's Vegeta on the back. That is sweet. Love it. Ooh, look at that. Majin Buu, Tricky Nemesis. PR. Ultrasonic Exchange. That's a rare. Extra card. Here we've got a Son Goku long-awaited rematch. Battle card. Rare. Alright, so yeah, you can see there's some pretty cool cards in there. Honestly, the one I'm most excited about is this bad boy. That's sweet. That's sweet. I might have to make a deck around that bad boy. Alright. Good deal. Thanks again. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you feel inclined. Let me know which set you actually like the most about Dragon Ball Super card game. Which one's good? Which one's worth buying? We'll get into it and do some openings. Thanks again, y'all. See you next time.